Good morning, class 10th. Welcome to maths class. We have completed chapter 15. Now we are going to start chapter 4, that is quadratic equations. First, I want to explain about linear equation. Linear equations we have done in class 9. Linear equation in which the highest degree is 1. And quadratic equation in which the highest degree is 2, that is called quadratic equation. Standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are any numbers and a is not equal to 0, x is variable here. If a is equal to 0, suppose if a is equal to 0, then it will be 0 into x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then it will become 0, 0 plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now here is highest degree is 1, so it will become linear equation. So if a is not equal to 0, then it will be quadratic equation. So general form, standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we have to check either x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x minus 3. Either it is quadratic or not. So we have to open this bracket with identity, that is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. In the place of a we are having here x, in the place of b we are having here 1. X square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1 equal to 2x minus 6. X square plus 1 plus 2x equal to 2x minus 6. Replace 2x minus 6 in this side, we get x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. 2x, 2x. This is plus, this is minus 2x. It will be cancelled. What is left? X square plus 7 equal to 0. So the highest degree is here 2. So it is quadratic equation. Now, solution of quadratic equations. There are three methods of quadratic equation, how to solve it. First method is factorization method. Second method is completing square method. Third is quadratic formula. Today we will discuss about factorization method. Now what is factorization method? 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Quadratic equation is given. By factorization method we have to find the value of x here. Factorization method means mid-term splitting method. We have to make factors such that if we multiply two number, we get 2 into 3, that is 6. If we multiply two number, we get 6, and if we have to add these two number, we get minus 5. So the factors are minus 2x minus 3x. First term and the third term will be as it is. We have to split the middle term, that is minus 5x. 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3. Now make pair, take common, 2x is common, x minus 1 minus 3 is common, x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1, take x minus 1 common from whole, we get x minus 1 in the first bracket, in second bracket 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now x minus 1 equal to 0, we get x equal to 1, 2x minus 3 equal to 0, we get 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2. So the answer are 1 and 3 by 2. One more example, find the root of the equation 6x square minus x minus 2. Now we have to split the middle term. We have to make factor here. Find such two number that if we multiply these two number, we get 6 2s are 12, and if we subtract these two number, we get 1 here. So 6x square, I am going to split here 3x minus 4x. 3x minus 4x plus 3 minus 4, we get minus 1. If we multiply these two terms, 3 4s are 12 here. Minus 2 will be as it is equal to 0. Now take common from first pair, 3x common, we get 2x plus 1. Take common here, minus 2 is common, we get 2x plus 1. Take 2x plus 1 common from whole. 2x plus 1 common, 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 2x plus 1 equal to 0, 2x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 2. 3x minus 2 equal to 0, 3x equal to 2, x equal to 2 by 3. So the answer is minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. This is the answer of this question. Now one more question. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. We have to find such two number. If we add these two number, we get 27, and if we multiply these two number, we get 182. So the solution is here. Let the first number x, and the second number equal to 27 minus x. According to question, product of these two number is 182 given. X into 27 minus x equal to 182. Open the bracket, 27x minus x square minus 182 equal to 0. We have changed the position. Then it will be minus 182. Now minus x square plus 27x minus 182 equal to 0. Take minus as a common. We get x square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. By midterm splitting, we have to solve it. We have to find such two factors. If we multiply, we get 182. If we add, we get 27. X square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 equal to 0. X common, x minus 13 minus 14 common, x minus 13. Take x minus 13 common from whole. We get x minus 13 in first bracket. In second bracket, x minus 14 equal to 0. So the values are here, x equal to 13 and 14. If the first number is 13, then the next number is 27 minus 13, 14. If the first number is 14, then the second number is 27 minus 14, 13. So this is the answer of this question. So now you have to try exercise 4.1 and 4.2 yourself. Thanks and take care.